We've had yet more shocking figures from India today, where the numbers of COVID infections and deaths remain at very high levels. There were more than 400,000 confirmed infections in the last 24 hours, with nearly 4,000 deaths. The country is still struggling to keep hospitals supplied with oxygen, even as it tries to speed up its vaccination program. And the pandemic seems to be spreading away from the big population centres. So let's bring you the latest on the situation in Srinagar and Jammu and Kashmir from our correspondent Amir Pazada.
The situation across the country remains alarming, as India again recorded another daily record number of cases. At least 3,900 COVID deaths were reported, and more than 412,000 new infections were reported in past 24 hours. Here in Kashmir, the situation is getting worse. Yesterday, around 4,700 new infections were reported, and the region is under a strict lockdown since last week. Only essential services and frontline workers are allowed to travel. As infections keep rising, pressures are also building on central government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to impose a nationwide lockdown. Many states have already imposed a strict lockdown introduced by local authorities. But India is still struggling with the shortage of oxygen and is also running out of hospital beds, which has prompted top Indian courts to intervene. The Allahabad High Court in Uttar Pradesh has said on Tuesday the COVID-19 deaths due to non-supply of oxygen is a criminal act and not less than a genocide.
Amir Pazada there reporting from Srinagar.